What do and before a variable name mean in a function signature? Possible duplicate, understanding quarks in Python.
I have read a piece of Python code, and I don't know what does and mean in this code.
I just know about one use of, extract all attributed has to parameter of method or constructor.
If this true for above function, so what does the rest?
Inside a function header. Collects all the positional arguments in a tuple. Collects all the keyword arguments in a dictionary. In a function call. Unpacks a list or tuple into positional arguments. Unpacks a dictionary into keyword arguments.
Takes specified argument names and puts them into a dictionary. So, would print.
Names named arguments of the functions. Args is a dictionary that contains all named arguments of the function. And you can also reverse it. You can use a dictionary as a set of arguments for a function. Would print.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.